Hey, this was really easy to make it multi-platform, but what if you want to have it multi-distro? Because now we did the Humble example, but what if we want the Jazzy, for instance? So I prepared a little bit of configuration I will quickly copy in. It's not too much, it can still fit on one screen. So you will see that all the Humble configuration is still there, it's just moved into its own feature. And we've added the Jazzy feature, which contains the same things, but then for the Jazzy distribution. And instead of TurtleSim, I use RViz 2 just to give you an example of two different types of environments. A feature is nothing more than just a building block to create environments. So we create the environment Jazzy with the feature Jazzy, and we create a default environment with Humble. And the default environment can be run without specifying it, but if we do Pixi shell Jazzy, E stands for environment, then we will actually get into the Jazzy environment. And if you then do ROS2 run RViz, it will start up RViz and you have RViz on your MacBook. I hope this helps and have fun. Thank you.